In the sizzling world of the carnivore diet, where the primal allure of meat takes center stage. Amidst this meaty saga, there exists a dark elixir quietly vying for attention: coffee. A potion of energy and controversy, coffee injects a jolt into the carnivorous routine, sparking debates and brewing curiosity. As carnivores navigate the wild landscape of their dietary choices, the question echoes: can the bold essence of coffee find harmony in this meat-centric symphony? Join us on a journey through the tantalizing nexus of carnivorous cravings and the aromatic allure of coffee. Buckle up, this is no ordinary sip. Now, let's delve into the nuances of the carnivore diet and explore the role of coffee within this intriguing lifestyle. Coffee's nutritional profile in the carnivore diet. In this carnivorous realm, a standard 8 fluid ounces cup of plain brewed coffee emerges as a carb-free elixir. It contains 0 grams of carbs, 0.1 grams of fat, 0.3 grams of protein, and a mere 2.4 calories. This carb-free nature aligns seamlessly with the carnivore diet's fundamental principle of excluding carbohydrates from plant sources. Additionally, coffee, in its brewed form, contributes small amounts of potassium, calcium, and magnesium to the diet, complementing the nutrient profile of a predominantly meat-based regimen. Caffeine and carnivores, a compatible duo? Caffeine, a prominent component in coffee, serves as a natural energizer without introducing carbohydrates. Carnivores can safely consume 4 to 5 cups of coffee per day, with a recommended maximum caffeine intake of 400 milligrams for women. For those engaged in regular exercise, coffee's caffeine content acts as a stimulant, potentially enhancing physical performance and reducing fatigue. Strategically incorporating coffee 30 minutes to an hour before workouts may amplify its benefits for carnivore athletes. Coffee's impact on ketosis in the carnivore diet. Research suggests that caffeine, found abundantly in coffee, may elevate plasma beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, the primary ketone. Higher doses of caffeine could lead to increased ketone levels, presenting coffee as a potential ally for those striving to achieve or maintain ketosis on the carnivore diet. The addition of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, to coffee might prolong mild ketosis, providing an intriguing avenue for carnivores exploring ways to optimize their ketogenic state. Navigating coffee additives in the carnivore diet. While plain brewed coffee aligns seamlessly with the carnivore diet, caution is necessary when adding ingredients. Conventional sweeteners like brown sugar, honey, and low-fat milk can quickly escalate carb content, potentially compromising the carb-restricted ethos of the carnivore lifestyle. For those seeking variety, natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit provide a carb-conscious alternative. Carnivore-friendly coffee additives include grass-fed butter, MCT oil, coconut oil, collagen powder, heavy whipping cream, and ground cinnamon. Beyond the basics, carnivore-friendly coffee recipes. Explore the richness of coffee by incorporating grass-fed butter, MCT oil, or coconut oil into black coffee for a butter-infused bliss. Combine carnivore-friendly collagen powder with coffee to support collagen levels, providing a unique twist to the morning routine. Create a dessert-like experience by adding ground cinnamon to black coffee and topping it with unsweetened whipped cream. Coffee as a carnivore companion. In the intricate tapestry of the carnivore diet, coffee emerges as a versatile and potentially beneficial beverage. Its carb-free composition, caffeine-induced perks, and compatibility with ketosis make it an attractive option for those adhering to a meat-centric lifestyle. By navigating additives judiciously and embracing carnivore-friendly enhancements, coffee enthusiasts can savor the richness of this beverage while staying true to the principles of the carnivore diet. As with any dietary component, individual preferences and sensitivities should guide the extent of coffee consumption in the carnivore journey. Please subscribe and watch my other videos on carnivore, ketovore, and intermittent fasting. Thank you.